In this video, I'm going to show you how to remotely turn off Admob Ads showing in your app. This may be helpful for some reason. Maybe you just want to turn off the ads in your app for some specific period of time. So Admob itself does not give us any way to directly turn off the ads. One way we can do it is by using remote config and turning off the ads remotely, but at this point you may not have set up remote config in your app. So now how do we do that? Well, when we come to our ad units here, the only way we can stop an ad unit from showing, at least as shown by Admob, is to delete it. But we don't want to delete our ad units. So what we can do to make sure that the ad don't show, we can go to the ad unit, then we go to settings, click advanced here, then click on eCPM flow. Now what we are going to do is to set a manual flow. So we set a very high eCPM flow, like $1,000, and there will not be any ads available to show at this eCPM, and therefore no ads will be showing in the app when you set that eCPM flow. And then you click save. So at any point in time when you want to come back and make sure ads are showing on this ad unit, what you can do is just come back here, and then you can set a lower eCPM flow. You can just click Google optimized or disabled, Google optimized all prices, and you click save, and that will turn the ads back on. So that's it for this video. If you find it helpful, leave a like, and if you are new to my channel, a subscription would be important.